My name is Jeff Bradley. I'm a radiation oncologist. I'm a department chair at Emory University in radiation oncology. I practice thoracic oncology. I'm involved in clinical trials. I'm the lung cancer committee chair for energy oncology, and I'll be answering questions today. Why should I enroll on a clinical trial for my lung cancer? And that is a great question. I think it's a question every patient should consider. And let's talk a little bit about what the advantages are to enrolling on a clinical trial. Clinical trials have been evaluated by your doctor and peers of your doctor and people who are experts in a particular type of cancer have looked at that trial and determined it's a good idea to be able to offer to patients. It's been vetted usually within a committee, within a cancer center of experts, looking at the merits of a trial and asking the question, will this help our patients? Nobody really wants to open a trial that won't help their patients. Oftentimes, clinical trials that are national clinical trials that are sponsored by either a pharmaceutical company, let's say, or they're sponsored by the government, like the National Cancer Institute. Those have been vetted by national experts or even international experts, looking at what advantages that study might have for the population that they're trying to enroll. It's often, you have a particular type of cancer, you have a particular stage of cancer, your cancer is in a particular location, and there are guidelines typically for what should be done as routine care to take care of your cancer, treat you for your cancer, but there's often questions asked around that, like is drug A or drug B better, or is adding radiation therapy better? Is there an advantage to that? Or is there an advantage to giving your chemotherapy in a different schedule or a different way? Those are all important questions with the intent of trying to improve your outcome. So if I were a patient, I would always ask what clinical trials are available to me, and I would consider what my options are in terms of routine care and what clinical trial options are available. In lung cancer today, we've had a huge increase in, let's say, 5-year survival rates for patients with stage 3 and for patients with stage 4 metastatic disease. All this new onslaught of immunotherapy drugs that have come on in the last several years wouldn't have happened without clinical trials. And today, almost all patients get immunotherapy. It changed the complexion of lung cancer completely over the past few years. So clinical trials are very important and you should consider them.